If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Many of us love Chinese food. I have shared few recipes like Pandey Express style orange chicken, Hakka noodles or chili paneer, Schezwan fried rice, where you can also learn how to make Sechzwan sauce at home.
Today I'll show you how to make Veg Manchurian, and that's not fried. It will be made in air fryer. Please note the ingredients needed to make Veg Manchurian. List is also given in description below. Firstly, today we need to grate or very finely chop the vegetables. So in a bowl I have grated carrot or gajar, grated cabbage or patta gobi. To it add in finely chopped bell peppers or shimla mirch. Use the colors you like. Half an onion or pyaz finely chopped goes in the bowl. Very finely chopped garlic or lasan and ginger or adrak, either very finely chopped or grated. Now let's add sauces. 1 teaspoon of Schezwan sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Also add in salt and fresh black pepper powder here and mix everything very well. Now it has released some water, so we need not add any extra water. We will add in the flours, that is all-purpose flour or maida, chickpea flour or besan and corn flour, and mix everything. The batter is ready. For a change, today we are going to make these Manchurian balls in an air fryer, which is preheated at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Now take the air fryer basket and place a small piece of aluminium foil over it. That's not important, but it helps in cleaning the basket easily later. So make small balls out of the batter with your oiled hands and place it over the oiled aluminium foil. And put this basket in your preheated air fryer. And let these balls cook for about 10 minutes. And after that, check and flip over the balls. If you want, add in few drops of oil again. Close and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until done. And here, let's start preparing for the gravy. Take 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of homemade Schezwan sauce along with 1 teaspoon of sugar or chini. Mix everything well. Use 1 cup of water to make this slurry and keep it aside. Now here keep all the veggies very finely chopped and handy. So heat 1 teaspoon of oil or tel, add in 5 to 6 garlic cloves, finely chopped onion and finely chopped ginger. And keep the heat high. Stir fry for about a minute. After which we are going to add finely chopped carrot and finely chopped capsicums. Stir fry these veggies for another 2 minutes on high heat. Add freshly ground black pepper powder and here comes the slurry. Mix well before adding in. And now let this come to a boil. As it boils, add in the fried Manchurian balls. Air fried Manchurian balls. Don't forget to garnish with very finely chopped spring onion greens. And this is ready to be enjoyed. Serve this Manchurian with Schezwan fried rice or Hakka noodles. If it is on a drier side, it can be served as a starter, so enjoy as it is. Don't forget to check my other Chinese recipes if you love Chinese food. Enjoy these dishes any day, anytime. Thanks for watching.